Welcome to our Marbella, Spain travel guide. In this video, we're diving into one of the most stunning coastal gems of the Mediterranean. Marbella is not just a destination, it's an experience that combines sun-soaked beaches, vibrant nightlife, and rich cultural heritage. Whether you're a sun worshiper, a foodie, or an adventure seeker, Marbella has something special for everyone. We'll explore the breathtaking beaches that line the Costa del Sol, where you can relax under the warm sun, or indulge in thrilling water sports. You'll discover the charming old town, with its narrow cobblestone streets, whitewashed buildings, and lively plazas that invite you to soak in the local culture. We'll also take you to the luxurious marina of Puerto Banús, where you can admire stunning yachts and enjoy high-end shopping and dining. But Marbella isn't just about the glitz and glamour. We'll highlight the unique aspects of life in this beautiful Spanish town, from its delicious tapas and local markets to the warm hospitality of its residents. You'll learn about the rich history that shapes Marbella today and the vibrant festivals that bring the community together. So, if you're ready to uncover the hidden treasures of Marbella and experience the magic of this Mediterranean paradise, stick around. We promise to provide you with all the tips and insights you need to make the most of your visit. Let's embark on this journey together and discover why Marbella is a must-visit destination in Spain. As we delve into the charm of Marbella's Old Town, prepare to be captivated by its historical significance and architectural beauty. This enchanting area, known as Casco Antiguo, is a delightful blend of rich history and vibrant culture, making it a must-visit during your stay in Marbella. The narrow, winding streets are lined with stunning whitewashed buildings adorned with colorful flower pots, creating a picturesque backdrop that feels like stepping back in time. One of the highlights of the Old Town is the iconic Plaza de los Naranjos, or Orange Square. This lively plaza is the heart of the community, surrounded by charming cafes and restaurants where you can savor delicious tapas while soaking in the atmosphere. The square is also home to beautiful orange trees, which add to the area's charm and provide a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a moment of relaxation. As you wander through the Old Town, you'll discover a variety of local shops offering unique handicrafts, artisan goods, and traditional souvenirs. These hidden gems provide an opportunity to take home a piece of Marbella's culture and support local artisans. The vibrant culture of Marbella Old Town is palpable, with street performers, local markets, and festivals that bring the community together. We encourage you to immerse yourself in this lively atmosphere, engage with the friendly locals, and experience the warmth of Spanish hospitality. Whether you're sipping coffee in a quaint cafe or exploring historical landmarks, Marbella's Old Town promises an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of this beautiful coastal town. When it comes to stunning beaches, Marbella truly shines as a top destination along the Costa del Sol. With its golden sands and crystal-clear waters, the beaches here offer a perfect escape for sunseekers and adventure enthusiasts alike. One of the most popular spots is Playa de la Fontanilla, known for its vibrant atmosphere and family-friendly environment. This beach is ideal for sunbathing, with plenty of sun loungers and umbrellas available for rent. You can also enjoy a leisurely stroll along the promenade, where you'll find a variety of beachside restaurants and bars serving delicious local cuisine. For those looking for a more upscale beach experience, Nikki Beach is a must-visit. This renowned beach club combines luxury with a lively atmosphere, offering a unique blend of sun, music, and gourmet dining. Here you can indulge in refreshing cocktails while lounging on plush sunbeds or take part in exciting events like beach parties and live DJ performances. In addition to relaxation, Marbella's beaches provide a plethora of activities for the adventurous spirit. From thrilling water sports like jet skiing and paddleboarding, to beach volleyball and snorkeling, there's no shortage of ways to enjoy the sun and surf. Beach life is an integral part of the overall Marbella experience, as it embodies the laid-back yet vibrant lifestyle that this coastal town is known for. Whether you're soaking up the sun, enjoying water activities, or simply taking in the breathtaking views, the beaches of Marbella offer a slice of paradise that you won't want to miss. So grab your sunscreen and get ready to dive into the beach culture that makes Marbella so special. Marbella is brimming with exciting activities and attractions that cater to every type of traveler. One of the most popular tourist destinations is Banús, a glamorous marina known for its luxury yachts, high-end boutiques, and vibrant nightlife. Strolling along the waterfront, you can admire the stunning boats and perhaps even spot a celebrity or two. The area is also home to a variety of upscale restaurants and bars, making it the perfect spot for a chic evening out. For those who love to shop, the local markets are a must-visit. The Marbella Old Town Market offers a delightful selection of handmade crafts, fresh produce, and traditional Spanish goods. It's a great place to immerse yourself in the local culture while picking up unique souvenirs to take home. If you're looking for outdoor adventures, the nearby Sierra Blanca Mountains provide a stunning backdrop for hiking and nature walks. With trails that range from easy strolls to more challenging hikes, you can explore the breathtaking landscapes and enjoy panoramic views of the coast. The fresh mountain air and beautiful scenery make it a refreshing escape from the bustling beach scene. Marbella also boasts a vibrant nightlife, with a plethora of bars, clubs, and live music venues to choose from. Whether you prefer a laid-back evening sipping cocktails by the beach or dancing the night away at a trendy club, there's something for everyone. So whether you're exploring the luxurious marina, hiking in the mountains, or enjoying the lively nightlife, Marbella offers a diverse range of activities that ensure your visit is filled with unforgettable experiences. If you're planning a trip to Marbella, you'll be pleased to know that getting there from Malaga is both easy and convenient. Located just about 60 kilometers away, Marbella is a quick getaway that offers a stunning coastal experience. One of the most popular transportation options is the bus service, which runs frequently between Malaga and Marbella. The journey takes approximately 45 minutes to an hour, and the buses are comfortable and affordable, making it a great choice for travelers. For those who prefer a bit more flexibility, renting a car is another excellent option. The drive along the AP7 motorway is not only straightforward but also incredibly scenic. As you travel along the Costa del Sol, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea and the picturesque coastline. There are plenty of car rental agencies available at Malaga Airport, allowing you to pick up your vehicle right after you land. The ease of travel between Malaga and Marbella makes it an ideal day trip or a quick escape for those staying in the Malaga area. With just a short drive or bus ride, you can transition from the bustling city life of Malaga to the laid-back charm of Marbella. Whether you choose to hop on a bus or hit the road in a rental car, the journey to Marbella is part of the adventure. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to explore the beautiful beaches and vibrant culture that await you in Marbella. Welcome to our virtual walking tour of Marbella, where we'll take you through the heart of this beautiful coastal town. As we stroll through the charming streets, you'll get to experience the vibrant sights and sounds of Marbella in stunning 4K resolution, allowing you to feel as if you're right there with us. Our tour begins in the picturesque Old Town, where we'll wander through the narrow cobblestone streets lined with whitewashed buildings adorned with colorful flowers. Here you'll discover key landmarks such as the iconic Plaza de los Naranjos, a lively square filled with cafes and shops, perfect for soaking in the local atmosphere. Don't forget to take a moment to admire the beautiful fountain and the surrounding orange trees that give the plaza its name. As we continue our walk, we'll uncover hidden gems like the charming boutiques and artisan shops that offer unique handmade crafts and souvenirs. You'll also get a glimpse of the historic Marbella Castle, which provides a fascinating insight into the town's rich history. Exploring Marbella on foot allows you to truly immerse yourself in the local culture. You can stop to chat with friendly locals, sample delicious street food, or simply enjoy the vibrant street art that adorns many walls. This walking tour is not just about the sights, it's about experiencing the essence of Marbella. So lace up your walking shoes and join us as we explore this enchanting town, discovering its beauty and charm one step at a time. Get ready for an unforgettable journey through Marbella. As we wrap up our journey through Marbella, let's take a moment to summarize the key points we've discussed in this video. Marbella is a stunning destination that offers a perfect blend of beautiful beaches, rich history, and vibrant culture. From the charming streets of the Old Town to the luxurious marina of Banús, There's something for everyone to enjoy. We've explored the breathtaking beaches, highlighted exciting activities, and even taken a virtual walking tour to showcase the town's hidden gems. The main takeaway is that Marbella is not just a place to relax, it's a vibrant hub of experiences waiting to be discovered. Whether you're indulging in delicious local cuisine, hiking in the nearby Sierra Blanca Mountains, or enjoying the lively nightlife, Marbella promises unforgettable memories. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, we encourage you to take action. Subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips, and don't forget to like this video to show your support. Your engagement helps us create more content that you love. We also invite you to share this video with friends and family who might be planning a trip to Marbella or are simply looking for travel inspiration. And be sure to explore our related content on the channel or visit our website for more in-depth guides and resources. Thank you for joining us on this adventure through Marbella. We hope to see you again soon as we continue to explore the world's most beautiful destinations together.